E minor guitar chord. Claw your hand and fingers. Get your thumb to the top and approach the guitar neck from behind until your thumb is somewhere over the 2nd fret, not touching the 6th string. Because this is an E string, and because this is an E-type chord, we want this string to sound. In most chords, most open chords you play on guitar, the thumb would lightly touch this string to mute it, but if it's an E-type chord, it will ring open to give you that very deep sound. From here, maintaining your hand position, and particularly the space, you can close it a little bit, but not too much, not this. Otherwise you won't be able to change chords correctly. Keep some space here. Add your 1st fingertip onto the 5th string, 2nd fret, middle. Add your 2nd fingertip onto the 4th string, 2nd fret, middle. You strum 6 and your audience hears all 6 strings sounding. Depending on the song you're playing, this chord can also be played with the 2nd and 3rd finger, and sometimes with the 3rd and little finger, particularly if you're changing to a bar chord afterwards. All 3 are correct.